Welcome back, YouTube viewers. Woo! Got a good show for tonight, folks. Yeah. We finished up our seasoned cast iron pan. Yeah. And we are going to have gator meat. Yummy. Now, what do we got here, baby?
Gonna be flour because Pa can't have cornmeal, and this is cornmeal.
That's right, folks. Cornmeal flour. One thing about it, folks, this is a little tip. If you have gout, cornmeal is not good on the gout.
Well, different people have different triggers.
Oh, yeah. His trigger's cornmeal. But it's good, folks. And we got the gator meats. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to
turn that off for a minute.
Okay. We'll be back here in just a minute. Alright, folks, we got gator meat. We bought it from the store. I had it soaked for a week in Italian dressing. There's a key thing you should all know about this. The secret, the real secret about tender gator meat, and you think I'm bull crapping y'all, but this is honest truth. The real secret is not about the seasoning, it's not about the marinating, it's about how you kill it. I'm serious, folks. Gator, if you go out and hook a gator, you're gonna take it off fiercely. That will
Make it mad. It puts out a pheromone that makes the meat taste horrible.
Yes. And it'll toughen up that meat where you can't even eat it. Plus, it'll stink you out of the house too, folks. When you get you a bad gator meat, no. The trick is you got to kill it while it's calm and mellowed, and just
If there is such a
if there's such a thing. If there's a such thing, believe it or not, you catch it on the dock somewhere, or you see it or at the land just sunning. That's the best way to kill it, because you get that thing mad. That's it, folks. That meat is rotten. But it's not cut up, huh? I'll have to cut it up here in just a minute, folks. But yes, that's a secret. That's a secret recipe. This recipe, the little trick.
secret recipe.
It's not a secret recipe. It's a secret tip that nobody, as far as I know, knows this. Or if they did, they didn't share it. But that has been passed down in my family, generation after generation after generation, and then some. But well, let me get this gator cut up, and we'll be back here in just a minute, folks. See ya. Bye. All right, folks, we are back.
All right, we're gonna season the flour and the cornmeal. We're gonna do half of it in flour and half of it in cornmeal, because Pa can't have cornmeal, but he wants some gator. So we're gonna take and salt it, pepper, and garlic powder. And I've never cooked gator meat. I've never eaten gator meat. I don't know how it's supposed to look, how it's supposed to taste, so maybe it'll come out all right. There's something there holding that drawer closed.
We'll do flour first.
And the grease is ready. Do y'all remember how I told y'all to find out if grease is ready? Take a wooden spoon. See?
Let me zoom in. That's a wooden spoon, folks.
That's just showing that the grease is ready to go. Alright. So we're going to sit this over here.
Okay.
Get rid of my coffee spoon. Alright, and here we go. I gotta sneeze. And you always want to shake off the excess of anything you're coating.
Wow.
And I have that on medium, but I think I'm going to turn it down a bit.
Yeah. Another thing, folks, which kind of remind me, when you're cooking with cast iron, if you get it on low, it's going to be high.
Yeah, cast iron holds in heat.
It holds in heat well. Now that's just below medium, and it's cooking like it's on high. So there's another tip for y'all. And you don't want to cook it too fast.
Well, I think it's going to be cooked too fast.
Yeah.
It's too high. Turn it on down a little bit, not too much. A little bit more. There you go.
I put about 3. We put about 3, folks. So you don't want to cooking it too slow. Yep, we soaked this a whole week of Italian dressing in the fridge. Kept it cool, so you don't want to leave it out. And a little bit of flour, salt, pepper, garlic pepper, powder, excuse me. My folks used to cook the mess out some gator meat. And it was good, folks. One time someone made a mistake of getting one angry and bringing it home for fun.
But you can't do that anymore.
No, you can't do that. It's illegal unless you get some kind of stamps like Louisiana people. But we do have a places around us, they sell it. I think there's like a farm or something where they kill them and send them on processing plant and send them on to the stores. Expensive as crap. When they come in, you tell them you want gator meat, they're going to see you coming. Woo! I think this pack was like nearly $15 and it's like a pound. Yeah. It's expensive.
Very expensive. Seafood is expensive right now.
Seafood's expensive, but the legal way they got to do it, they got to buy tags, which is like $100 per tag, and it's like I've heard it's like a lotto. You put your name out there, and if they draw it, you could buy a certain amount of tags to get a certain amount of gators. That's what I heard. So I don't know too much about it, but I see it on TV a lot. They talk about it here and there, but they don't get into too much detail about it. But yeah, a lot of trouble behind it. So it's pretty expensive, and there's reason why on some things. All right, folks, we'll be back here in just a minute. Woo! See ya. All right, folks, we are back. Look at that. Woo! Woo! That looks good. Now, the proper way here of cooking it, as you can see, we got on very low, like a 3. And yeah. Now, to tell if it's done, you got to cut into it, and it looks just like chicken. The flesh sure does, but it don't taste like chicken now.
Very.
Huh?
So no, that's not done.
No.
That's going to be very dry.
Yeah. You gotta cook it very slow.
Well, I'm sorry. I told you.
Alright, folks, we'll be back here in just a minute. Alright, folks, we
We
back.
took it out. Now we're going to...
Yeah, we got it on low.
Cornmeal. Well, it's not on low, but...
Oh, that's the ours.
Yeah, this is cornmeal. Y'all's is, it ain't mine. I ain't really scared of you.
That one's their cornmeal. Uh-oh. Looks good, folks. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and take this to Paul real quick. Alright, folks. We'll be right back. And yes, when you cook a gator meat, you want to cook it slow because it's got to cook from the inside out. We'll be back. Alright, folks. We are done. Yeah. Look a here, look a here. Now.
Did you already take it out?
Yeah.
You turn it off?
Yeah. It's off. We had to cook it at a 3 because gator meat, you want to cook it slow. And I mean slow. When you cook it in cast iron, that thing gets on up there quick. Now, this is just a butter knife. Watch this. Look at that. Now, when you get the raw gator meat, it'll be pink all inside. Light pink. It has to be white in the middle of it. Like that. So, that's when the gator meat's done.
You are tearing it up.
Yeah. Alright, folks. Well, I can't eat it right now. We are going to do the teaser. And I just got out of the hot grease, so we'll be back here in just a minute for the teaser. See ya! Alright, folks, we're back. Yeah. Ready for the teaser? Yummy. Folks, ooh, I really taste the Italian in it. Look how tender. Gator meat's tough, folks. But look how tender it is. You can't get no tender than that. Alright, folks, well, got another successful video.
Tastes like catfish.
Doesn't it? Alright, folks, we are done for tonight. We'll see y'all on the flip side. See ya! Woo!